Hey guys, we're at Aquatic Aesthetics. We've got a fish unboxing to do. This was just picked up in Atlanta. We had one box, had a leaking bag. They fixed it at the plant, but the box is still a little soggy here. And the reason I started out with the coral tank is I want to remind you guys, if I haven't told you already, that on the 23rd, this Saturday, Spike's Corals will be here in-house with their tanks and their corals, and they're gonna bring their goods to Chattanooga. They already do via my coral tank, but since they normally do trade shows and they're unable to right now, they're gonna kind of change their business model a little bit, and they're going to the local stores, which I just love. So come see us Saturday. There's going to be a lot of corals at a good rate. Okay, wouldn't you know, first fish I pull is a mystery fish. No label on this one. It's certainly a tetra. Just don't know on that one with no color, guys. We'll figure that one out later. Oh, these are best shown from above. If I can get some of this condensation off the bag. These are banjo catfish. These are a wonderful cat to have. Oh, and did I tell you guys that this is another large unboxing? Okay, back to the banjos. Beautiful cats. These tend to go pretty quick, so if you want one, come get them. And we have, this is a new lobster for us. Papa blue, or excuse me, not blue moon, apricot lobster. Kinda hard to see. Almost the color of cardboard. But that beautiful apricot color. And as you've seen here before, crayfish never participate for the bag shot. But there you get the color. We have bloodfin tetras. These have been off the list for a little while, or at least when they were on the list, they weren't looking good. So these are looking good, just no color. Very active. They'll color up, most certainly. We have an African dwarf frog. This is a special order. We have the Dumbo ear male guppies. Very nice looking. Prominent elephant ear fins, or the Dumbos as they call them. Very nice. These are the jade head Delta guppies. Nice looking, except for One. Another mystery fish. Oh, but this one's easy, even without the red nose right now. That's the rummy nose. These are the Rasbora het, or the Harlequin Rasboras. We have been out of these guys for a while. These are the Bolivian rams. Nice size on them. Green Aeneas corridors. Okay, this one will go from above. Yeah, looks better this way. Those are puffer fish, BB puffers. Be a little gentle with these guys. Make sure there's none in the folds. I just love these little puffer fish. But boy, what an attitude. Ounce per ounce, they are the most aggressive freshwater fish. Not much you can put with them, if anything. Some people make it work. I don't try it. Okay. 2 down, 4 to go. Okay, so we have some bettas. A black dragon placat. Nice looking. A black orchid. A marble metallic placat. And Super Delta. Looks like 3 of them in here. Nice looking guys. Oh, okay, this one's a big one. Oh, good God. What is this? Oh, I know what this is. This is going to excite a few of my customers. Yep, that's an eel. It's a fire eel. This is getting real heavy with one arm, holding it up this high. Oh, he is big. He's going to look real good here in the store for a while. We have black coolie loach. Good size on these guys. Packed well too, lots of water. Okay, that one just had the betas and the 2 bags of fish there. Okay, we have neon tetras. Nice, active. They'll color up real good, I'm sure. I'm already seeing color. That's good. Pineapple cobra guppies. Ooh. Oh, real nice. Oh yeah. Very nice. Emperor tetras. Just a few of them. I think we wanted more, but couldn't get them. Leartail male guppies. These are a hybrid between a guppy and an endler. You can tell that by those dots on the side. Assorted snakeskin guppies. Not bad looking at all. Not for an assorted bunch. Now this is a new one for us. This is a Aquatic Bodia. There we go. There's your good shot of them. I don't know much about these guys right now, but come in the store and I'll be able to tell you about them. And being a Bodia, they're a member of the loach family. And this is another new one. The Borneo suckerfish or sucker loach. This has the exact same profile as your common hillstream loach. They like cooler water, 75 degrees max. They can stand it a little bit warmer if you highly oxygenate the water, but not for long periods. And we have, oh, I know this is going to really excite one of my customers. Here you go, Steph. The candy cane tetras are back in stock. Tequila Sunrise Tuxedo Guppies. Ah, there we go. Nice shot. He's displaying very well. Okay. I got one more box of Freshwater. It looks like this is one of the ones they checked at the plant. Ooh, hadn't had these guys in a little bit. These are the Scarlet Batis. Even showing some color and some markings. And a little attitude. I like that. And I've heard females exist with those. I've just heard that. Never seen it. These are the lemon tetras. No color at all right now. And the green neon wild-caught tetras. More of these guys. There you go. Very, very active. Nice looking fish. Ah, good. We did get more of them. Bolivian rams. Very nice color, very nice size. These are penguin tetras. And, ooh, some nice sizes in here. Some smaller ones too, but these are bumblebee catfish. These are great guy to have in your tank. Okay, and the final freshwater fish. Dwarf hatchetfish. Let's see if I can get a better shot of them. Okay, and we'll move on to saltwater. First up, this is going to be a coral, Recordia mushrooms. All three of these smaller bags will be. We'll skip those. Go straight on to a coral beauty. A little bit of spunk, and beautiful fish. Doesn't look like he's going to be a hider, I don't think. We have a raccoon butterfly. Nice looking. Beautiful. We have a pygmy angel. Let's see if I can get a good shot of him here. It'd be blurry, I guess. He's not going to cooperate. And for the final, I'm going to have to open this one up. He's got a blinder. Oh, I remember who this guy is. This was a last minute addition. Sure I don't get stuck. And not so much this one's venomous, but this one is poisonous. There is a difference. That is a porcupine puffer. Trying to get you a good shot of them. And that's the last of it, guys. So if you're coral interested, definitely come see us this Saturday. You're going to see some corals that are better than what I normally have. They're not going to give me the cream of the crop for wholesale, but so we got our work cut out for us. See you at the store.